Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Writing a Song That Matters community's tribute to the late, great Nanci Griffith. If you're not familiar with Writing a Song That Matters, it is a retreat for songwriters that's run by the great Dar Williams. And tonight we have 22 acts, all of whom have been a part of the Writing a Song That Matters retreats, who'll be singing the songs of Nanci Griffith.
What's next? Okay, so next we will invite up Cara, a trio, Cara, Valenti, Laura Jones, and Carly Campbell.
Hi, everybody.
Hello. Oh, and Pupperton.
Ted, yeah.
Ted.
He's a great singer.
Aw, yes. Oh, it's so exciting to see you all in general and all in the same room.
Yes.
So okay, so you all are doing Speed of the Sound of Loneliness from Other Voices, Other Rooms.
That is right. All right, thank you. Okay.
You come home late and you come home early. You come on big when you're feeling small. Come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So what in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run.
I got a heart that burns with a fever, and I got a worried and a jealous mind. How can a love that'll last forever get left so far behind?
What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. It's a mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow. Cross that evil line today. Well, how can you ask about tomorrow when we ain't got one word to say? What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Ooh, you've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run.
That was so beautiful. That was
Thank you so much.
stunning. Oh my gosh. Everyone's losing their minds in comments everywhere. That was so incredible.
Thanks, guys.
Woo!